The UGC guidelines notified on 13th of January 2026 are now being questioned on legal grounds, and it's very important to understand what exactly wrong is going on here. The very first issue is about definition of discrimination itself. Under this regulation, the caste-based discrimination is recognized only if it is against SC or ST categories. General category students and faculties are completely ignored and kept outside this protection. This right against discrimination is not equally formed, and it operates only in one direction. The second issue is about the formation of equity committee that every university is supposed to set up. These committees will receive complaints, conduct inquiries, and recommend action, but it is nowhere mentioned that any general category representation under these bodies. Third, and the most important issue, is an absence of any safeguard for the malicious or false complaints filed. The regulations provide when a complaint is filed what will happen after that, but it does not provide and silent about what will happen if the complaint filed is motivated and false, and how the person who is falsely implicated will be protected. Now an advocate has approached the Honorable Supreme Court of India challenging these regulations on basis of unfairness and the due process being not being followed.